Now that I've read those two really bad reviews, ouch, of course I'm terrified. I mean, how could I not sure if a chihuahua was in the application instructions. Oh, la gente. What is up, my people? Welcome to yet another video where we test out new hair care on camera with the help of the little Bianca.
Hi, my favorite humans.
And my hair takes the bullet for you. And today is the turn of Living Proof Restore line. We're going to be testing out the shampoo and treatment mask.
Finally, Living Proof. This has been highly requested for a very long time. I already like the packaging very much. Pink, just like me. But wait, wasn't there like a huge celebrity behind this one? Was this expensive?
So Jennifer Aniston was the spokesperson, I believe also
Didn't I tell you?
partner, and promoted the Living Proof line for the longest time before launching her own. In 2012, Living Proof announced they would be joining forces with Jennifer Aniston, but not only as the face or spokesperson for Living Proof, she would become an active partner, helping build the brand and new hair care products. I always loved her hair and I always wanted to try all of these products because of her. So I was completely shocked when just 4 years later in 2016, the split between Jennifer Aniston and Living Proof became official right after Unilever's acquisition of Living Proof. The shampoo promises to reverse dryness and damage for visibly healthier hair. And if you've been around for a while, you know my hair has been through a very traumatic experience this year. I'm gonna link those videos down below and I'm going to update you guys on my hair healing journey very soon. So at a first glance, the claims of this shampoo seem to be perfect for me because my hair right now does feel drier and it's still definitely damaged in spite of everything I've done to get it back on its feet. It seems like it's going to take me a while after my salon nightmare. It's also worth noting that this is a color safe, silicone free and sulfate free shampoo. It's also very rich. I'm going to share with you all the ingredients. Take a good look. And then we're going to try the Living Proof Restore Mask, also for dry and damaged hair, formulated specifically for color and chemically treated hair, and promises to revitalize dry or damaged hair due to coloring, chemical processing, or heat styling. Weightless treatment deeply nourishes each strand, increasing strength, manageability, leaving your hair soft, shiny, and smooth. And here's a good look at all the ingredients in here. So it looks like it has a bunch of hydrating alcohols, astrocurate Takama seed butter, and a bunch of other ingredients. And we're back.
What took you so long? I was missing you already, Mama.
That shampoo went well, but honestly, it's definitely one of those shampoos that is super gentle, does not smell like much, and slightly leathers. I love her ears.
I know, I'm so cute. Can I help you, Mama? Is it refusing to open?
Although inconvenient, I love the fact that it comes sealed. Let's look at the texture. Ooh. Do you see how thick that is? Like,
that's crazy, Mama.
this is really buttery. Astro
Looks tasty to me.
Carium Tukuma seed butter. That's the third ingredient in here.
Can I see? Can I?
So good, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, it smells so good, it woke me up.
Very subtle, but present. Bianca's always ready for 3 things. First, to give kisses.
Because I love you, Mama.
To hang out. And third, to eat. Not sure if a chihuahua was in the application instructions.
Coming through.
Be careful, baby. I think she wants to nap.
Just a quick siesta.
Siesta. Don't worry, baby. We are going to nap. I'm going to give you a 4-month update on Bianca. And a lot has been going on with her. So I'm going to update you guys very, very soon. Even though she sleeps the entire night, she's always very, very sleepy in the morning. The entire morning.
Don't embarrass me, Mama.
She also wants to nap. And when I film, I usually do that in the morning. So it seems like she's always very sleepy and asking for a nap. But if I put her in another room or just in the floor while I'm filming, she keeps jumping and asking me to hold her. Okay, so it says here the frequency for this mask is once or twice per week, and it should replace your conditioner. Interestingly, it doesn't say, at least on the packaging, how long you should leave the mask on. I think it should, so I have to Google that. Look at the before and afters at the Sephora site. Wow, after one use, very defined, looks very hydrated and maybe shinier. It says here it's for fine, medium, and thick hair. If I had very fine hair, I think this mask is too battery, too rich. I would go for something more
tasty,
fluid. Interesting. So it says leaving the mask on longer than 5 minutes can provide some additional conditioning, but do not leave on for longer than 10 minutes. So I think I've been chatting with you guys enough to just go for 5 minutes. And yes, she's neck napping. Just adorable. Let's take a quick look at this Sephora ratings. So it has 4.4 stars. Out of 523 reviews, 85% recommended the mask. Terrible. This made my hair so greasy it looked wet. So I can imagine that happening for 2 reasons. First, if you do not take the time to rinse it off, as it is a super rich hair mask. And the other reason could be, once again, if your hair is very fine. Maybe her hair is very fine, as natural blonde hair or even bleached blonde hair can be. Ouch. Listen to this one. Disappointing. I was very excited to try for my dry, unruly, frizzy hair. Apparently, she has suffered a lot of damage from highlight. Girl, don't even get me started on that. Much to my disappointment, my hair looks just as frizzy as before using this as directed, and it has a very high price point. Oh, how much was this one again? $45 for the 200 ml one. Now that I've read those 2 really bad reviews, of course I'm terrified. I mean, how could I not? Let's look at the good ones. I love it. This mask is a great find. I really love how well it works for wavy and oily hair. It is the best way to fully cleanse your hair and scalp. Definitely new favorite hair mask. Amazing. I received this product complimentary. Interesting. I paid for it. Being a big fan of Living Proof complimentary. So many people receiving complimentary products all say incentivized. I'm not saying you cannot be neutral, but so let's see what the real deal is. I don't have very fine hair. I don't have very thick hair, but my hair is definitely damaged, dry, and frizzy and unruly. So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out so we can reveal the truth about this. Okay, to my surprise, after reading that one negative review that said that her hair felt super greasy, I was expecting this to be a real mask. It really wasn't. I don't think it detangles hair like magic either. All of the hair that burned off, quite a bit actually, all of this and all of this on the other side, I lost quite a bit of volume. I had to get sewed-in extensions. Looks so much like mine, healthy, but it's also slightly thicker. So I feel like I'm testing out this hair mask on 2 different hair types, which is actually quite interesting when you think about it. If you want to learn more about what happened to my hair and why I was forced to get those sewed-in extensions for maybe the next few months or maybe a year until my layer here grows, then I'll be linking that video. So everything I'm doing is trying to restore the broken hair so that it grows thicker and stronger. So I'm not going to detangle because, oh well, we all know by now wet hair is very fragile. Imagine my wet hair after what happened. We also all know by now that the hair dryer is not our enemy. If it's used in cold or medium heat, it's actually our ally.
Everything about you perfectly undone, and I was like a statue
hair dryer. I know for frizzy hair. 2 days ago when I shampooed my hair and also blow dried it with this, it definitely did not feel as silky and it did not look this shiny. Wait. Yes. Okay, so in case you're new around here, everything that's pinned up here, which is quite a bit in the top layer, that's everything that's about 7 centimeters long right now because it was completely burned off at the salon. So a few things to say. I had a bit of a mishap with purple shampoo a couple of days ago. I still see some purplish grayish thing here on the strands. They're lighter and tend to cling to the purple pigments more. I think we could say it is indeed a color safe hair mask. So that's one thing. The other thing is we have very thick and damaged hair. That is mine piece right here. This is the hair extensions. They're almost identical in length. All of this is my hair. So maybe you can notice this is slightly thicker, but both look so shiny, don't they? Look at that. And now look at the extensions, which are healthier than my hair and thicker. Look at that shine. I mean, so if you have like medium to thin hair or thick hair, I think this is going to work out for any of those hair types. And none of these look greasy or super oily like that review we read at Sephora.com. If your hair is very thin, I wouldn't go for something this thick and rich as this hair mask. Is it my absolute favorite one? No, I wouldn't say no. Am I going to continue using this? For sure. Hold on. Oh, I love it. I think they nailed two things: the very rich texture, which is something you guys know my hair usually loves, and they also nailed the fragrance, fresh and luxurious. Is it worth the very high price tag? Honestly, I'm not really sure. I have to say I'm not 100% sold on the price point. You know me, I have to be honest, or it's like, what's the point of making this video? Anyways, I will be sure to update you guys. Thank you so much for liking this video, commenting down below, subscribing, and all those things, and using my links down below. That really helps. And Bianca and I will catch up with you all again on my next one.